देखिए, अगर आप डरोगे तो मरोगे, डरना नहीं चाहिए।
To the challenger.
यहाँ मेरी सरकार तभी आ सकती है जब ममता बनर्जी की सरकार को उखाड़ कर फेंको।
Every side, every time, no compromise. When divisions dictate the debate, the only free and fair channel is India Today. The all-new India Today mobile app. Get quick and short news flashes. Watch TV news channels live. Read stories without data connection. Personalize your feed and notifications. Watch a bulletin of your favorite journalist. Lighter and faster. India Today mobile app.
At the India Today Media Institute, we believe in training students in independent and critical thinking so they improve their ability to analyze the world around them. The training provided at the ITMI is rigorous and multimedia with a view of providing top-notch media professionals. Register now at www.indiatodaymediainstitute.in.
For more news and updates, log on to indiatoday.in and download the India Today app now.
At the India Today Media Institute, we believe in training students in independent and critical thinking to improve their ability to analyze the world around them. The training provided at the ITMI is rigorous and multimedia with a view of producing top-notch media professionals.
You are watching India.
A superstar who is now a poll star. BJP's prized catch in Bengal. Dancing icon who enthralled millions. Ex-TMC MP in BJP fold. Star power boost for BJP. An iconic Kolkata Brigade ground. Mithun gets Modi-fied. State of war Bengal.
Hello and welcome to this very special edition that we're bringing to you live from Kolkata. Yesteryear Bollywood heartthrob Mithun Chakraborty joined the Bharatiya Janata Party yesterday. He joined the party at Narendra Modi's rally at Kolkata's Brigade Parade ground. Mithun Chakraborty praised Prime Minister Modi's leadership and said that he wanted to work for the people. Take a look at this special report.
From a yesteryear superstar with links to both left and the Trinamool Congress to a saffron pole star, veteran actor Mithun Chakraborty joined the BJP on Sunday at Prime Minister Modi's mega rally at iconic Brigade ground.
Ami jol dhorao noi, bele borao noi. Ami ekta cobra, gokhro ami, ek chobole chobi.
The actor, who had quit years ago as Trinamool Congress MP, flaunted his Bengal credentials and lavished praise on Prime Minister Modi.
সেদিন একটা স্বপ্ন দেখেছিলাম যে আমি জীবনে কিছু করব, কিন্তু এই স্বপ্নটা দেখিনি যে আজ আমি এই মঞ্চে যেখানে ভারতবর্ষের সবথেকে বড় বড় লিডার্সরা বসে আছেন, ये सपना नहीं तो क्या है, এটা স্বপ্ন নয় তো কি?
Amid huge cheer from supporters, Mithun belted out a popular dialogue from his movie, calling himself a cobra with deadly sting.
আমি জল ঢোড়াও নই, বেলে বোড়াও নই, আমি একটা কোবরা, গোখরো আমি, এক ছোবলে ছবি।
Prime Minister Modi, during his speech, thanked Mithun for joining forces with Bharatiya Janata Party.
आज तो हमारे बीच बांग्लार छेले मिथुन चक्रवर्ती जी भी है। उनकी जीवन गाथा संघर्ष और सफलता के अद्भुत उदाहरणों से भरी हुई है।
But the Trinamool Congress mocked the actor turned BJP Neta, calling him a turncoat.
पहले मैं बचपन में सुभाष चक्रवर्ती के साथ देखा, फिर तृणमूल में देखा, आज बीजेपी में देखा और हो सकता है कल फिर दूसरा पार्टी के साथ भी देखूंगा, क्योंकि मिठुन दा जितने चरित्र में एक्टिंग पार्टी भी करते हैं.
At one point in time, he was known for his association to the Naxal movement. During the heydays of the left regime, he was very close to a lot of left leaders. When Trinamool Congress and Mamata Banerjee came to power, he was known for his proximity to Mamata Banerjee. Since 2015, he has been distancing himself from the Trinamool after the Sharda scam, and now he is in the BJP's fold. His detractors say just as he has had a huge range in his acting career, he is similarly showing similar kind of range in his political career too. With camera person Tapan, Indrajit for India Today in Kolkata.
My colleague Indrajit Kundu in fact spoke exclusively to Mithun Chakraborty after he joined the BJP. Listen in.
We are joined by Bengali megastar Mithun Chakraborty. Of course, it's a big day for him. He has taken the plunge once again into politics and joined the BJP. Sir, first of all, it's a big day. It's a big decision. But how did this come about?
First of all, that big day for politics, then, sorry, I have not joined it for politics because I do not understand Rajniti. I believe in Manushya Niti. Manav Niti mein believe karta hu main. And my thinking always goes towards that. I know people are talking pehle extremist ke saath tha, fir Subhash Da ke saath. But if you look at the scenario, I've been with Jyoti Basu, I have been with Subhash Da because they are for the people. They always done, Subhash Da is always, no matter which party it belongs. It is, no, even he did for the people. And of course, Trinamool, Mamata Di has given me Rajya Sabha ticket, but I left before him and लोगों ने बोला क्यों छोड़ रहा है और एक साल if you remain you will get pension for whole life. I said I have not joined for this. I'm sorry, I left it. So now again you said BJP means not for politics, not for any. I do not have political ambitions, but for the sake of the people of Bengal, if I have to take a plunge in a bigger way, I will do it.
You really think Modi ji can make a difference to Bengal?
He's making a difference to the not only India, but if you are really open up, then he has done a lot of difference in the world even, as one of the biggest leader. It is not that I have to say because I have made Prime Minister. No. I read it. I know it. Because you have to do politics, you have to say, no, it's not that true. Well, you can do it, good, bad. But he has been a big leader, even on the world stage.
What is going to be your role in the BJP then? Will you fight this election? That's the big question.
Right now, that is from the above, they will tell me, I'll follow that.
You're open to that idea?
Anything they say. And right now, I'm going to campaign for them, as many as them they want me to do.
Many are saying that possibly you can be the prospective chief ministerial candidate. Is there something in your mind?
In my mind, how dare I do? But it is a protocol of the top leaders, and I will not break that protocol. Because we have leaders like Dilip Da, Kailash ji and others, all big leaders. They have made BJP what they are today. मैं तो उड़ता हुआ एक कौवा हूँ, बैठ गया हूँ.
So I really want to understand as far as the ideological point of view, because as you mentioned yourself, at one point in time, you did believe in Naxalite movement. Then you were very close to CPM leadership. You came close proximity with Mamata Banerjee, and now, of course, the RSS and the BJP. Where is your ideological positioning, your personal?
Now, tell me one thing. Do we not have the same language? Every party talks about the poor people, whether it is the extremist, communist, whether Trinamool or BJP or anybody. But wherever is the genuine stand, they will win. But ideology is the same, to do something for the poor people. And I follow the same rule. That's my ideology.
So one last question. You said you are a proud Bengali today. Mamata Banerjee is continuously saying outsider versus insider, Bahari versus jo andar ke log hai. What do you consider, who do you consider is insider or outsider? Because you said you are a proud Bengali today.
I don't know then how to say myself, who am I? I'm born in
in a nursing home in Kolkata, in 20 Srimati Sen Garden Lane, my house.
He says all those BJP leaders are outsiders who are coming.
I do not know. Let them. I see, this is the talk between the two big leaders, and I'm not a leader. So I don't want to get into this and talk this bad, this bad. I don't believe in this. किसी के बारे में बुरी बात करता नहीं.
Message to Mamata Banerjee.
Good luck to everyone.
My colleague Sneha Mordani will now take you through some of the key facts that have been the feature of this Abhineta turned Neta's journey. Over to you, Sneha.
Let's get some idea about some key facts about Abhineta turned Neta Mithun Chakravarti. He remembers the popular Bollywood and Tollywood star. He is once known for his hardline left-leaning views. He was actually the brand ambassador of Sarda brand before the chit fund scam. In the year 2014, he was nominated to Rajya Sabha by the Trinamool Congress. He was questioned by the Enforcement Directorate after the chit fund scam. In 2015, Mithun returned the contract money after the scam came to the fore. He returned 1.19 crore contract money to the Enforcement Directorate. So that is a very brief history of Mithun Chakravarti.
Mithun Chakrabarti, the man who hit bullseye with his first film, his debut, Mrigaya, in 1976, in fact, went on to win the National Film Award for the Best Actor for his first film itself. Then, of course, came Mera Rakshak in 1978, and Mithun Chakrabarti became an overnight star. Here's a look at the actor-turned-politician's cinematic journey.
Mithun Chakrabarti made his Bollywood debut in 1976 with Mrinal Sen's Mrigaya, for which he even won the National Filmfare Award for Best Actor. After a few obscure years, in 1979, he once again made his presence felt with the low-budget Ravikant Nagay's directorial spy debut film, Suraksha, and thereon ruled the film industry in the 1980s with over 110 popular among the masses for his disco moves. He's one of the stalwart's best dancing heroes of Bollywood.
The battle for Bengal is becoming a star-studded affair, with several film and TV personalities taking the political plunge. The Trinamool Congress is fielding a host of celebrities, and there are several celebrities that the BJP has brought on board too. Take a look at this report.
Camera, election, from the celluloid to the corridors of power. Cine stars are headlining the big Bengal political blockbuster. From Nayaks to Jan Nayaks, the campaign is exploding. As Bengal prepares for a long election summer spanning across 8 phases, the presence of stars is increasing the political temperatures. Bollywood and Tollywood superstar Mithun Chakravarti is the latest to embrace politics, joining the BJP at Prime Minister Narendra Modi's mega rally at Brigade Ground.
সেদিন একটা স্বপ্ন দেখেছিলাম যে আমি জীবনে কিছু করব, কিন্তু এই স্বপ্নটা দেখিনি যে আজ আমি এই মঞ্চে যেখানে ভারতবর্ষের সবথেকে বড় বড় লিডার্সরা বসে আছেন, আর তার ঠিক কিছুক্ষণ পরেই ওয়ার্ল্ডস বিগেস্ট ডেমোক্রেসিস biggest leader, our beloved Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Ji Modi ji. ये सपना नहीं तो क्या है? बेटा स्वप्न नहीं तो की?
If Bengali stars Nusrat Jahan and Mimi Chakravarti hogged the limelight for the Trinamool Congress with their political debut in 2019, 2021 has seen things go to the next level. Banerjee is fielding an army of film stars and other celebs who have been given tickets to ensure Mamta Sarkar 3.0. Among the stars who will be contesting the polls on behalf of the TMC are Shayantika Banerjee from Bakura, June Malia from Mednipur, Shayani Ghosh from Asansol Dakshin, Aditi Munshi will contest from Rajarhat, Kaushani Mukherjee from Krishnanagar Uttar, and cricketer Manoj Tiwari from Shibpur in Howrah. Earlier, Shrabanti Chatterjee, a popular Bengali actor, joined BJP in Kolkata. The 33-year-old diva's welcome into the BJP was graced by BJP's Bengal in charge Kailash Vijayvargiya and Bengal BJP chief Dilip Ghosh.
बंगाल सारी दुनिया में कला के क्षेत्र में, साहित्य के क्षेत्र में, संस्कृति के क्षेत्र में अपनी पहचान बना, ये हमारा उद्देश्य है। और इसीलिए इस प्रकार के बड़े कलाकार भारतीय जनता पार्टी के साथ आ रहे हैं, तो हमें लगता है कि हमारे उद्देश्य के प्रति हम सफल हो रहे हैं।
Not just Shrabanti, actress Payal Sarkar has also joined the BJP, declaring her intent to contest the elections.
अभी मैं लोगों के लिए काम करना चाहती हूँ, तो इसमें ग्रुपिज्म का कोई सवाल है नहीं, ये मेरा अपना चॉइस है।
Before that, it was superstar Yash Dasgupta whose foray into BJP was the talk of town. But will the presence of film and television stars give warring parties the much-needed edge in this ferocious battle? We will know once polling starts from the 27th of March. Bureau Report, India Today.
Another political face-off is brewing in Tollywood with Nusrat Jahan and Yash Dasgupta facing off during the election campaign. The duo from Tollywood are rumoured to be a couple. Take a look at this report.
Bengali heartthrob joined the Bharatiya Janata Party on the 17th of February.
আমার মেন ফোকাস হচ্ছে ইউথ, যেহেতু আমার বয়সটা খুব একটা হয়নি, অ্যান্ড আই থিঙ্ক বিজেপি এমন একটা পার্টি যেটা সবসময় ইউথকে চান্স দিয়েছে, ইউথের ওপরে অনেকটা বিশ্বাস রেখেছে যে হ্যাঁ এই ইউথ কিছু চেঞ্জ নিয়ে আসতে পারে।
Yash is said to be very close to his co-star and Trinamool MP Nusrat Jahan. Two who've acted in a few films together are said to have grown close during the making of their latest film SOS Kolkata. Unconfirmed reports have speculated for a while about Nusrat's 2019 marriage to businessman Nikhil Jain having waded into troubled waters. Against this backdrop, an old video of Yash and Nusrat visiting Kolkata's famous Dakshineshwar temple went viral. Yash had dismissed rumours as things being blown out of proportion. On being political opponents now, Yash tells India Today that they can have different political ideologies and yet be together.
We are friends from the industry, we are not political friends. So this is a separate thing, and you know, when the right time comes and on the right platform, if our ideologies don't match, we'll fight there. Not we don't need to fight 24/7 for that. We have been friends, and we have been we have known each other since a very long time, and the thing is, I really...
Nusrat, who has stayed tight-lipped about their relationship and speculation around her marriage, refused to say much about Yash joining the BJP.
কিন্তু আমি তো অল ইন্ডিয়া তৃণমূল কংগ্রেসের সাংসদ, আমি শুধু নিজের দলের নিয়ে বলতে পারি যারা যাচ্ছে তারা যাক, আর যারা আমরা নিজেদের কর্তব্য, নিজেদের লয়্যালটি, আমরা নিজেদের কাজ পালন করছি।
Relationship aside, this election season is putting more than political acumen to the test for some.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.